Kris Hanchett. I'm at the Mimaki Demo Center, this really cool state-of-the-art facility in Atlanta, and we're making some cool boxes. And what we want to do real quick is kind of show you how one of these comes together. So with the table and the printer, if you get the software, you get thousands and thousands of resizable designs. And this one's pretty cool. We put some nice holiday graphics on it, printed it out on the JFX, and then cut it out on the CFX. So let's put one together. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come to where the crease lines are, and I'm going to start creasing it up just to make it easy so that you can see, because if you crease everything first, that's going to make it a lot simpler to fold up, and we can kind of see that comes together there. Now we can go to the kind of the assembly here. So you're going to see it's got little slots in here on the side. So we'll take this here, if I can do it, and I'll push it, there we go, into the little slot there. So you can see that one went in. See, we got our box kind of started all together. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to come down, we're going to close the lid. So you can see these little cuts go in the sides here, and that little cut goes in the front. So we'll take this here, push it down into the front. There we go. There we go. All right. So then this will slide right into this little slot right here. So now you can see you got that slot in there. And then the last thing is these are just kind of latches for the top. And so you can kind of bend these back, and let's push them in each side. So we'll take that one here, push it in there. Same thing, kind of bend that one back. And we'll take this one here and push it into there. And so voila, now we've got a box. It all came together out of the software, resized, print and cut.